time, umpisahan mo yung gusto mong yung dream mo ba? Kagaya nga po nagsabi ko, dream siya ni Grace na pinatulang namin ito reality. Eh, nagkataon.
Literally, dream.
Dream.
Sinabi niya sa'yo.
Share siya sa akin, gusto ko isang ganito.
Then nag-decide kayo.
So yun lang po, huwag matakot bang take into risk. Kasi dyan po tayo natututo, and dyan tayo, kung merong risk, meron din namang success in yun lang po.
Pabalik din yun eh. Ang kinakataruan namin is aside from being an example of a successful business, yun gusto rin natin mag-inspire ng mga kababayan natin. Maging successful. And it's also the way wherein you're also propagating awareness about Philippine culture. Especially sa Manila. And especially of Canada. Kumbaga, yun yung kinalakayan mong pagkain, hindi mo alam mong pagkain. Tinuro sa'yo ng magulang mo. So, tuloy mong ginagawa. There's also one reason why we do this series, because one way of propagating our culture, especially food, and hindi na yung food, pati yung the way that you serve. It's very Filipino. And when we present it to non-Filipinos, we're also sharing with them yung culture natin.
So, dapat proud tayo.